In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite an accountant user to QuickBooks Online. If you're managing your finances with QuickBooks, having an accountant's assistance can be invaluable. Let's walk you through the simple steps to send them an invitation. First, you need to sign into your QuickBooks account. Begin by heading over to the webpage where you usually sign into your account. This might seem basic, but ensuring you're logged into the correct account is essential. This will prevent any potential mix-ups later on. Once you're on the page, simply click on the Sign In option. Next, after successfully signing in, you'll want to select QuickBooks Online. You'll typically see this option in a menu or a drop-down list. Choosing the right service is vital since QuickBooks offers several different product lines. For this process, you want to ensure that you're working within the QuickBooks Online environment, which is where you'll invite your accountant. Once inside QuickBooks Online, you need to enter your login credentials. This includes your username and password. Typing them in correctly is crucial to move forward seamlessly. After entering your information, go ahead and click on Continue. This action will take you directly into your account's main dashboard, where you have access to all its features. Now that you're in, it's time to navigate to the My Accountant section. This part of QuickBooks is specifically designed to help you manage and collaborate with accounting professionals. Look for a link or tab named My Accountant and click on it. Doing so will redirect you to a designated page to manage accountant users. When you are on this page, the next step involves typing in your accountant's email address. This email must be accurate as it's the primary mode of communication for sending the invite. Take care to double check the spelling since any mistake here could delay their access. Once you've entered the correct email address, you're nearly done. Finally, click on Invite. This action sends an invitation to the email address you entered for your accountant. This is a crucial step because it's what ultimately gives your accountant access to your financial data in QuickBooks. Ensure that you see a confirmation message indicating that the invite has been sent successfully. As a last note, it's always a good idea to notify your accountant that you have sent them an invitation. Sometimes emails can get lost in the inbox or filtered into spam folders. By reaching out directly, you ensure they're aware and looking for your invite, streamlining the process further. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully invited your accountant to your QuickBooks Online account. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.